Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial we are going to see the pixellab interface. So today we are going to do the introductory three parts of this pixellab. But before we continue with this video, please do to subscribe to this YouTube channel. If this is your first time seeing my video, welcome to my channel. In this channel I drop video every day on graphic design, so stay tuned to this channel, you will learn a lot. Please do to share this video, like, comment. Please, if you have any question, do to drop it in the comment section. Alright, so in today's tutorial we are going to see the interface of pixellab, and I have shown you apps, like the best app for smartphone graphic designers, and there are all these apps here. So in today's tutorial we are going to see pixellab. We are going to enter pixellab to see how it works, and I've told you that you don't need to own your data before using your pixellab. So let's click on the app and see what is there. Alright, so this is the app. Alright, so when you enter the app, they will say an auto save of your last season is available. Do you want to recover it? So if you press OK, they will recover the last work you are doing in this with this app. Or if you press cancel, then they will bring another a background or a default background for you to start afresh. So let me just click OK so that you see what I mean. So I'll click on OK. Alright, so this is just my last design. So if you click on OK, they will recover your last design, and this is just my last design. Let's minimize and remove it so that now click on cancel and see what it will look like. Alright, this time around I'm going to click cancel. Let's see. Alright, so as you seen it will give you a default background. So let us see everything. Let me explain all this you are seeing here and how you can make use of this app. So let us start with these ones are down here. Let us start with these ones here. So the first one that we are going to treat is this one here. So here is just a place where when you click on this, then it will now show you all these ones that are showing at the background. So that's just it. Doesn't have much function in this app. Then the next one we are going to see is this A here. So this one is for test. Anything dealing with test, both writing the test, editing the test, putting color, putting stroke, putting anything, or even 3D text. Everything about test is inside this A. Then the next one is this one, like shape. So that one is for shape. Anything dealing with shape, so select different shape. Anything about shape is under that one. Then the next one is for background. This one is now for background. Anything dealing with background, then this one take care of it very well. And this one is for effects, adding effects to your design. That is decorating it, maybe the brightness, the contrast, or the whole anything you want to edit about effect is under this one. Alright, so now let us see these ones that are here. These ones now are the background. They are default background. So all these are background. See as they are moving. All these are background. So if I click on any of them, it will change. So the background will be changing. As you're clicking on it, the background is changing, and they have text already with them. So if I should edit this text, any text that I put here, it will look like this one. So this is just different backgrounds. It's just different backgrounds. Can you see it? Different backgrounds. Alright, so then this one here that is showing my project is where you can any project that you save under this app, you will see it under this my project. So if I click on it, you will now see some of my projects there, even though I don't normally save them. So all these are my some of my projects here. Alright, now let us see this background. Now let us click on it. If we want to edit this text that is moving now, we click on this A here to edit it. So if you edit it, look at what you can edit. There are many things. So there are many things. If I should put a shape, let me put a shape here. From here you can select a shape. You click on shapes. Then you now select it. You click on this check mark here. This check mark here. If you click on it, this is the shape. So you can edit it. Look at all you can edit. There are many. There are a lot. We are going to see how we can make use of all this when we start designing. Alright, so then let us see all these ones that are up, what they are, the functions and everything. These ones that are up here. Alright, so the first one here now is the editing. This one is for editing. If you want to edit maybe the shape or anything that you have selected for editing. Maybe the text, if you select text now, the thing will still show that thing. That means for you to edit. Then the next one is for delete. This one is to delete the thing. Then this one is for undo. Maybe you did an action that you didn't want, then that one is for undo. And this one is for enlargement, to zoom your design. That's what they use that one to do. And this one will provide you grid. It will provide you grid, especially if you want to align something. So if you want to align maybe your text or your shape so that they will be in straight line, you will use this. They will provide you a grid that you can move in order to get a straight line. Then this one now is for you to lock any element. So if you want to lock any element, you click on it, then you now lock it. Even if you want to merge two shapes or two things or two elements, then you click on it. Now let us see another one. This plus sign here is for adding many things like shape. You can add shape from there. You can add current time. You can add many things. Let me just click on it so you see it. You can add text, current date, sticker, shapes from gallery. That's to select a picture from gallery, and you can also draw. Alright, so then the next one, which is this one, is for saving. If you want to save your project, you can see here, save as project, save as image. So if you save it as project, then it's going to save under this app, and you will not see it in your gallery, in your normal phone gallery. But if you save it as image, then it will now save to your gallery, but it will not save in this app. So the best thing to do after design is to save it as project and also save it as image. Okay, then the next one is for share. You can share any of your design from here, maybe to Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, any platform, so you can share it. Then the next one is for quotes. There are many quotes that this app have. So if you want positive quotes, emotional quotes, anything quotes, they will give you to inspirational quotes, anything. Then this one now is now the menu where you select many things. You can change the image size, that is the size of this background. You can do many things from there. Alright, so let's see this quote. Let us see how it looks. This one here, if you click on it, you can see there are many quotes here. There are many quotes, and you can select the language. If you click here, you can select either French or English by clicking here. So, and you can also select which is the motivation, inspiration, or other thing. So if I click on it now, you can see motivation, we have success, we have friendship, we have happiness, inspiration, positivity, absurd. So there are many quotes here, and once you click on it, then it will not show on your working place. Let's take for instance that I click this one now. That I click this one. Let me click on it. You can see it. It's shown here. Alright, so that's how you can import a quote. Then this one here, let us see what is inside there. So if you click on it, you can see there is use image from gallery. That is to import image from gallery. Full screen, use image from camera. Export image, that is to save to your gallery. Then image size is for you to resize your working area. Then cut out or report bug. All this one is now for them tutorials. You can still get tutorials from them. Remove ad. So all this one is when you now on your data, that all these ones will be available. So all these are the interface of pixellab. So I made mention that we use this one to lock an element. So let us see how we can lock an element. If we click on it now, so let's take for instance that I will lock this quote that I put. So all I have to do is just click on this key. It will show red. Okay, once it's show red, that means that element has been locked. So let us see now. Do you see we cannot move it again? I'm clicking on it, but it's not working. We cannot move it again. We can only move this shape. Like that, for instance, that I lock this shape now. Let me lock this shape. You see the shape cannot move again. So it's only this text that is now moving. There is nothing moving here again. If I should lock the text again, then none of them will move. There are still another thing that is here. You can see something like the eye of a person on this. So if I click on that and it shows red, that means you will not see that element in this place. Like take for instance this shape now. If I click on that eye, the shape will disappear. Just look now. Do you see it? So the eye is now shining red, and the shape just got lost. So But if you just want to get them back, just click on it, they will come back again. So there are many things in this pixellab, and I cannot say them all for now until we start doing practice with it. Then you now know everything about this pixellab. So there are many things you can do with this app. So thank you for staying to the end of this video. By the next video, we are going to start with logo design. So stay tuned to this channel, you will learn a lot. Please do it to subscribe to this channel, share this video, comment and like. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.